Hi friends, how are you? Soy Natasha, the Argentinian actress in Hollywood. If it is your first time in my channel, first of all, welcome. Please subscribe and activate the bell for the notification. I have this section that is cooking fast, simple and vegan, and today we are going to do a recipe that is like super simple. It takes a little bit of time in the oven, but I highly recommend. Is this spaghetti squash? I also want to say that if you have children, this is a really good idea for them because this spaghetti is a vegetables but looks like pasta actually. So let's start. First of all, we are going to turn on the oven, and second, we are going to cut our spaghetti squash on two. What do we need for this recipe? Of course, a spaghetti squash, and what we are going to put into is the tomato, onion, and garlic. Yeah, exactly like a sauce for any pasta, but we are going to put it in the oven that I'm going to show you. First of all, we are going to cut it not on the half like this. This looks like a melon actually. I have to thank to my friend Alejandra because I knew this spaghetti squash because of her. Actually, that is the oven that is ready. That's a really good notice. It's already super hot. So let's cut it on two.
It could be pretty hard to cut it on two. Maybe we need a bigger fork or more strength. I'm working out in this quarantine, but maybe not enough.
Try with this one. Look at this. There it is. There it is. Well, my half are not really perfect, but that's what I have. I'm sorry for this, friends, this is not really so nice, but I hope that you have a better fork or more strength, you can do it more, I don't know, prolish, how do you say, or nice. But we're in quarantine, so this is the one that I have, so we have to use it. As I told you in my first video, the one that I'm going to leave you here with the tacos, no, not the one with tacos, the second one, yeah, with the spaghetti squash, we use the seed of this butternut squash or this squash. We're going to cook them and we're going to eat them because they're a really healthy and really delicious snack. Let's do it. With a spoon, we take out all the seeds. We make a really good hole in here. Now that we have made the holes, we're going to put it in the oven, and we're going to put it first like on this side with the holes to the bottom. So we put it in the oven for like 15 minutes. What we do while we have the spaghetti squash in the oven is to clean the seeds, separate it from the pulp, this, and we're going to cook them on the pan, and we are going to have a snack. So if you're really hungry, you already have a snack first. I'm so happy that I have seeds now because with the another butternut squash, it has like 4 seeds. It was so sad because I love them. So disappointed. Once they're clean, we put it in a pan with some spray with oil or just a little bit of oil. When we have done this many times, we are going to cut the onion, to cut the garlic, and to cut the tomatoes. Once we have everything cut, we check the seeds. I think that they're already done. So we take them off and we put on that pan the onion and the garlic. Once our seeds are golden, we put them a little bit of salt and we then enjoy them. Once our onion and garlic is done and our 15 minutes from the spaghetti squash is done, we take them off, we turn the spaghetti squash, we put the garlic, the onion and the fresh tomatoes. We also add a little bit of salt, of pepper, and 5 more minutes in the oven, just depending on the size of your spaghetti squash. Mine was really small, so with 5 minutes will be perfect. But if you have a huge one, a bigger one, maybe 10 or 15 minutes. We're going to check it right now. Once it's ready, we take them off the oven, and with a fork we are going to take the squash off, and it's going to look exactly like an spaghetti. That was everything for today, friends. I hope that you enjoyed my recipe, you enjoyed this amazing spaghetti squash. Super easy preparation. So if you have any comments, any suggestions, please leave it in the comments. Give me your thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and see you next week. Turn on the bell so you're not going to miss any of my videos. Vegan, fast, and super easy. See you. Bye.